how to find radio on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find radio on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer and as you see here you will find this radio icon here in the top corner. Now just click on it and here you can find these radios. Just you can select any radio you want here and that's it. Then that's how to find the radio on Deezer mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.